Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Venmo crypto transfers with wallet confirmation step by step clearly. To authorize Venmo crypto transfers with wallet confirmation, start by opening your Venmo app. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the crypto section in the app. Select the option for sending or receiving cryptocurrency. If you're sending crypto, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check that the wallet address is accurate to avoid any errors. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Once you've input the amount, you will see a summary of the transaction. Look for the option to confirm the transaction. At this point, you will be prompted to authorize the transfer. Open the cryptocurrency wallet that you are using for confirmation. Locate the specific transaction within your wallet. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer in your wallet. Make sure to review any fees associated with the transaction. Once confirmed in your wallet, return to the Venmo app. You should see a notification indicating that the transaction is being processed. Keep an eye on the transaction status until it is marked as complete. Your crypto transfer is now authorized and will be executed shortly. Make sure to keep your wallet secure during this process. If any issues arise, consult the help section in the Venmo app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.